Hey folks, welcome to Top 3 in Cybersecurity, a bite-sized view of 3 of the most important news stories in cybersecurity this week. Now let's jump in. Coming in at number 1 this week, hackers have exploited yet another critical zero-day vulnerability in Ivanti's Connect Secure appliances, marking the latest in a string of security debacles for the company over the past year. This flaw specifically allows attackers to deploy custom malware, so that includes the dryhook and facejam popular malware, and compromise the VPN systems. Now, while Ivanti insists only a limited number of customers were affected, this critical vulnerability follows several others in 2024 that left customers scrambling. Now, Mandiant reports that the attack began back in December, with hackers using sophisticated toolkits to steal these sensitive VPN data, like session cookies, credential, and API keys. And Ivanti's recommending immediate factory resets, so just a patch isn't going to do it for this, and then applying the patch. So seems like these recurring vulnerabilities might just be a pattern that follows us into 2025. We'll see how it plays out. All right, coming in at number 2, Medusind, a major medical billing firm, has disclosed a data breach impacting over 360,000 people. This breach, which occurred in December 2023, exposed personal and health information, including social security numbers, medical histories, insurance details, payment information, everything. We're talking about everything. And after detecting suspicious activity, Medusind hired cybersecurity experts to investigate, confirmed they got all of those sensitive files, which I guess took 13 months to disclose, and these affected individuals are offered 2 free years of identity monitoring. So yay, more identity monitoring. Well, I guess we'll see what happens with this one, but that is a lot of sensitive information for a lot of people. Ugly. All right, coming in at number 3, Baymark Health Services, North America's largest addiction treatment provider, has disclosed a data breach exposing sensitive personal information for an undisclosed number of patients. Now, this breach claimed by Ransomware Hub Group has occurred between September and October, affecting systems that handle social security numbers, medical records, insurance details, and a lot more. So Baymark learned about the breach back in October, secured its system, and began notifying patients. But the stolen data amounts to about 1.5 terabytes and has been posted on the dark web. Now, Baymark is offering a year of more identity monitoring, and this breach just adds to the rising concern about healthcare data security, with recent HIPAA security updates pushing for further safeguards. I think we're probably on the verge of seeing a more stringent and regulatory approach to how this data is secured. And unfortunately, it is fairly impactful because this is a recovery center, and just with the stigma around data drug recovery, I hope these aren't further targets for ransom. All right, that's it for this in top 3. I hope everyone's enjoyed this bite-sized view of cybersecurity, and I'll catch everyone next week.